Hello and welcome to The Hindu. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik, and in this video, I will quickly break down what all transpired in the Supreme Court proceedings today in connection with the brutal rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at Kolkata's Arjikar Medical College and Hospital. A bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud today took on record the fifth status report filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is currently probing the incident. The court was informed that a charge sheet had been filed against accused Sanjoy Roy, who worked as a civic volunteer with the Kolkata Police under Section 64, 66 and 103 subsection 1 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or the BNS. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the central agency, also apprised the court that the concerned Sessions Court had taken cognizance of the charge sheet and had listed the case for hearing on November 4th for framing of charges. The CBI also informed the top court today that the role of potential other accused persons is the subject matter of the ongoing investigation. The court was also informed that substantial progress had been made in its probe into the alleged financial irregularities that took place under the tenure of former principal Shondeep Ghosh. The court accordingly directed the central agency to furnish another status report on the next date of hearing after 3 weeks. During the proceedings today, the Chief Justice expressed dissatisfaction with the progress made by the court-constituted 9-member National Task Force, which has been established to propose safety measures that could be put in place for medical professionals across the country. The Chief Justice noted that the task force had not met after September 9th and that no substantial progress had been made. He accordingly directed the centre to take proactive measures to ensure that the task force meets regularly and is able to submit its interim report detailing its recommendations within 3 weeks. The court was also told that pursuant to its previous directions, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has appointed a nodal officer to register complaints and take down any social media posts which disclose the identity of the victim. Further, the court was informed that the dedicated web link has also been created on the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's website to solicit feedback from various stakeholders. To date, approximately 17,000 suggestions have been received from around 37,000 associations and 15,000 individuals. Notably, the Chief Justice today remarked that the process of recruiting civic police volunteers was a means of conferring political patronage. He accordingly directed the West Bengal government to furnish details regarding such recruitments. The state government was also instructed to let the court know of the measures it has undertaken to ensure that deployment of such civic volunteers do not take place in sensitive institutions like schools and hospitals. In response, Senior Advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the West Bengal government, said that the security staff at government hospitals are now being recruited as per the Private Security Agencies Regulation Act 2005, as is done elsewhere in the country. He also informed the court that nearly 90% of infrastructural work has already been completed in 28 state-run hospitals. He further assured the bench that any pending work will be completed in the Arjikar Hospital by October 31st and in rest of the government hospitals by October 25th. Senior Advocate Karnanandi, appearing for the doctors, however, disputed this and said that infrastructural work was not being conducted at the scale claimed by the state government. Meanwhile, Senior Advocate Indira Jaising, also appearing for the doctors, apprised the court that all doctors have resumed their work except 7 junior doctors who are currently on a hunger strike to register their protest over the incident. Out of them, 3 have already been hospitalized after their conditions deteriorated. The court is slated to hear the matter next after the Diwali break, that is next month in the month of November. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.